Have you ever wondered what the future of farming looks like and how technology is revolutionizing it? Welcome to the dawn of a new era in farming, an era shaped and driven by technology. We're not talking about the simple tractors and combine harvesters of yore, but a sweeping tide of high-tech innovations, with robotics leading the charge. The farming industry, as we know it, is in the throes of a massive transformation. This metamorphosis is fueled by an ever-growing need for efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. As the world's population continues to balloon, the demand for food is escalating at an unprecedented rate. To meet this demand, farming has to be smarter, faster, and more efficient. That's where robotics comes in. Robots are not just science fiction anymore, they are here, and they are changing the way we farm. These mechanical marvels are designed to perform a variety of tasks, from planting seeds and spraying crops to harvesting millions of acres of land every day. They work tirelessly around the clock, rain or shine, to ensure that our food is grown and harvested at the right time in the right way. But the role of robots in farming goes beyond mere labor. They are also a potent tool for data collection. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms, farming robots can collect and analyze a wealth of data, providing invaluable insights into crop health, soil conditions, and weather patterns. This data-driven approach to farming allows for precision agriculture, maximizing crop yields while minimizing waste and environmental impact. The impact of robotics on farming is profound. It's not just about replacing human labor, it's about enhancing it, making it more efficient, more precise, more sustainable. Robots are not replacing farmers, they are empowering them, providing them with the tools and insights to farm smarter, not harder. So, what does the future of farming look like? It looks like a field teeming with robots, tirelessly tending to our crops, harvesting our food, and paving the way for a new era of farming. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the world of robotic farming, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on farming. So, what exactly are farming robots and what do they do? Well, let's dive into it. Farming robots, as the name suggests, are automated machines designed specifically for agricultural purposes. These aren't your typical robots from a science fiction movie. Instead, they're practical, efficient, and designed to handle a multitude of tasks on the farm. Now, the functionalities of these robots are vast and diverse. From seeding to weeding, from harvesting to sorting, these robots are built to do it all. They're like an extra pair of hands on the farm, only more precise and untiring. Let's talk about the different types of farming robots, each with its unique capabilities. First, we have autonomous tractors. These are self-driving machines that can plow fields, sow seeds, and even harvest crops without any human intervention. Imagine a tractor working round the clock, under any weather condition, without ever needing a break. That's the power of an autonomous tractor. Next, we have drones. These aren't your ordinary hobby drones, they're equipped with advanced sensors and cameras. They can monitor crop health, identify pests or diseases, and even spray pesticides or fertilizers with pinpoint accuracy. They offer a bird's-eye view of the entire farm, helping farmers make informed decisions. Finally, we have robotic harvesters. These machines are a marvel of modern engineering. They can pick fruits or vegetables without causing any damage, sort them based on size and ripeness, and pack them for transport. All of this is done at a speed that would leave even the most experienced farmhand in awe. But it's essential to remember that these robots aren't just machines. They're the vanguard of a new era in agriculture, a time when farms will operate with an efficiency and precision that was unimaginable just a few decades ago. They're not just helping farmers, they're transforming the entire agricultural industry. Farming robots are not just machines. They are the new age farmers redefining the agricultural landscape. Now let's explore how these robotic farmers work. In the world of robotic farming, it's all about precision. These machines utilize a trifecta of technology: sensors, artificial intelligence, and GPS. These elements work in harmony to create an ultra-efficient farming system unlike anything we've seen before. Sensors play a crucial role in robotic farming. They collect data about the environment, such as soil conditions, humidity, temperature, and crop health. These sensors can even detect pests or diseases, allowing quick intervention. This wealth of data allows farmers to make informed decisions, leading to better crop yields and less waste. Artificial intelligence takes this data and turns it into actionable insights. For example, it can determine the optimal time to plant or harvest based on weather forecasts and current crop conditions. It can also calculate the precise amount of water and nutrients each plant needs, reducing waste and improving efficiency. Machine learning algorithms continually improve these processes, helping the robots become smarter over time. GPS technology then comes into play. It guides the robots, enabling them to navigate the fields with pinpoint accuracy. This precision farming ensures every inch of land is used effectively, which is particularly beneficial for large-scale operations. But what sets these robotic farmers apart is their ability to work tirelessly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Rain or shine, day or night, these machines keep going. This round-the-clock operation means that no time is wasted, and farming operations can continue regardless of the weather conditions. This constant operation, paired with the precision and efficiency offered by AI and sensor technology, means robotic farming can produce higher yields with less waste. It's a win-win situation for both farmers and the environment. With such capabilities, robots are transforming the way we farm, making it more efficient and sustainable. No longer are we solely reliant on human labor and traditional farming methods. Instead, we're moving towards a future where farming is driven by data, precision, and continual operation. And it's all thanks to these tireless robotic farmers. What does this mean for farmers and the agricultural industry as a whole? Let's delve into the benefits and challenges of robotic farming to find out. Robotic farming offers a plethora of advantages. First off, it significantly enhances productivity. Robots, unlike humans, can work around the clock without breaks, leading to non-stop round-the-clock farming. This constant labor can result in a substantial increase in output. Secondly, as robots take over labor-intensive tasks, the labor costs are drastically reduced. Robots can perform tasks ranging from planting seeds to harvesting crops, reducing the need for human labor and subsequently, the costs associated with it. Another significant boon is the enhancement of crop health. Precision agriculture, facilitated by robotics, allows for the meticulous monitoring of crop health. Robots equipped with advanced sensors and imaging capabilities can detect pests, diseases, and nutrient deficiencies early on, enabling farmers to address these issues promptly and effectively. But, as with any technological advancement, robotic farming also brings a set of challenges. The initial costs of implementing robotic technology can be quite high. Buying the robots, setting them up, and integrating them into existing farming systems doesn't come cheap. Maintenance is another hurdle. Robots, being complex machines, require regular upkeep to function optimally. This involves not just the physical maintenance of the machines, but also software updates and troubleshooting. Lastly, there's the need for technical expertise. Operating these robots and interpreting the data they provide requires a level of technical knowledge that not all farmers may possess. This could necessitate additional training or hiring experts, adding to the overall cost. In conclusion, while the transition to robotic farming can be daunting due to the initial costs, maintenance, and need for technical expertise, the long-term benefits in terms of increased productivity, reduced labor costs, and enhanced crop health are undeniable. While robotic farming presents some challenges, the benefits it offers make it a game changer for the agricultural industry. So, what's next for robotic farming? As we gaze into the crystal ball of agriculture, it's evident that the future of robotic farming shines brightly. The leaps and bounds in technology are not only making robotic farming more possible, but they're also making it more efficient and sustainable. Imagine a world where robots are not just a novel part of farming, but an integral component. We're talking about intelligent machines that can analyze soil composition, adjust irrigation levels, and even make on-the-spot decisions about when to plant or harvest crops. These advancements will not only streamline farming operations, but they will also make farming more precise and less wasteful. Moreover, the adoption of robotic farming is set to skyrocket. As farmers around the world become more comfortable with this technology and see the benefits it offers, it's anticipated that more and more of them will integrate robots into their operations. In fact, some experts predict that within the next decade, the majority of farms will have at least one robotic component. But the potential for robotic farming extends beyond just efficiency and profitability. It also holds the promise of making farming more sustainable. Robots can be programmed to use resources more judiciously, reducing water and energy usage. They can also minimize the use of harmful pesticides and fertilizers by applying them only when and where they're needed. Not to mention, the future of robotic farming could also transform the very nature of work on a farm. Instead of labor-intensive tasks that can be physically demanding, farmers will be able to focus more on managing and optimizing their operations. This shift could not only improve the quality of life for farmers, but also attract a new generation to the profession. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: robots are here to stay, and they are set to redefine farming as we know it. The future of farming is not a world devoid of humans, but rather one where humans and robots work side by side to feed the world more efficiently, sustainably, and profitably. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: robots are here to stay, and they are set to redefine farming as we know it.